I've had so many people ask me when they reach out to me, why should I pay for mentorship? Well, here's the thing, you're not paying for a conversation. What you're paying for is 20 plus years, at least with me or others, depending on the years of experience and what they've achieved in life. You're paying for that knowledge that will allow you to bypass the struggle and stress and hardship of mistakes and learning lessons that you would go through if you tried to do everything on your own. That's one of the reasons why you have mentorship programs throughout the entire world for business, for IT, for anything. If you have someone that has a lot of knowledge and experience, you can learn things from them that you yourself cannot teach yourself. My grandfather used to say to me, he's from Texas. He grew up in the 30s and the 40s. He said, if you listen to your own advice, you're listening to the advice of a fool. I didn't get it when I was younger. But here's the thing, I understand it now. You cannot be your own best counsel on things that are going to determine the future of your life. So, going to someone that has experience and knowledge would allow you to be able to bypass a lot of the challenges that you would experience on your own. And that's what you're getting today. So, if you reach out to me and we do a one on one, if we go meet in person or you need a custom resume, you're spending time that is going to save you years, decades of challenges, of experience, and of learning lessons that you will now avoid by talking to a professional, whether it's me or anybody else, right? So you want to leverage experience, skill, and knowledge to get ahead if that's important to you. If it's not, hey, more power to you. Keep hustling. You'll figure it out eventually and you'll see what I'm saying. And you'll learn those many, many mistakes and lessons that we all go through when we are going through this thing called life. All right. Thank you so much. Go ahead and click down below and save yourself some time. And listen, let me tell you this. If you go out to eat and you spend money on the dinner and bring out a significant other, that check's going to come to that table and you're going to pay it, right? But that's just for one night. You rent food, you rent drinks, any juices, smoothies, anything, because that night or the night following, you're going to empty it out your body, right? And it's gone. You can't get it back. You can go buy some more, but you can't get it back. But knowledge will constantly recycle in your mind. It will constantly benefit you for years and decades to come. So go ahead and pay for that knowledge for decades to come, for years to come, for the months to come, and change your life. All right. That's it. I wish you the best.